Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to generate business name ideas, and that will help you if you want to create a brand name, or if you want to have a name for your e-commerce store or whatever. In this video I will share with you two sites that will help you to generate a business name. First site is nameless.com, and here in the search bar just enter a keyword. For example, fitness. If my brand or my business about fitness, then just fitness and click generate. And here you can choose if you want the name short names, medium names, long names, and then just click generate. You can see here now just you can get some idea about your business name. Just you can scroll down and see which one is suitable for your business. The second site is businessnamegenerator.com, and it's the same here. You need to enter the keyword, and here it's the same fitness, and this check domain availability with GoDaddy. It's connected with GoDaddy, but if you don't want it, just click here. And then click generate. You can see here you get a lot of names: fitness rich, fitness clever, fitness reflect, fitness better, fitness 100, and you can scroll down and see even more. This is what you need to do if you want to generate business name ideas. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.